हेलो व्यूवर्स, अस्सलाम वालेकुम एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज की वीडियो में मैं आपसे एक ऐसी इंफॉर्मेशन शेयर करने लगा हूँ जो शायद इससे पहले आपने नहीं सुनी होगी। आज मैं आपको बताऊंगा कि आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस का बैंकिंग और फाइनेंस के अंदर कितना बड़ा रोल है और बैंकिंग और फाइनेंस आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस की बेस पर क्या क्या फ़वाइद और किस तरह की बेनिफिट्स हासिल कर रही है। तो वीडियो का टॉपिक इस बार इंग्लिश में होगा और ये स्पेशली यूएस सिटीज़न के लिए है, तो इसलिए आप इसको ज़रूर देखिएगा। Artificial intelligence plays a significant and evolving role in the banking and finance sector, revolutionizing various processes and enhancing customer experience. Here are some key areas where AI is making an impact in banking and finance. Fraud detection and prevention. AI algorithms can analyze patterns in transaction data to identify unusual activities and detect potential fraud in real time. Machine learning models can learn from historical data to improve accuracy in identifying fraudulent transactions and protect customers and financial institutions from cybercrime. Customer service and chatbots. AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants provide instant customer support, answering queries, assisting with account-related tasks, and providing product information. These bots use natural language process to understand and respond to customer inquiries, improving overall customer satisfaction. Number 3. Credit scoring and risk assessment. AI algorithm analyze vast amount of data to assess credit worthiness accurately by incorporating non-traditional data sources such as of social media activity and online behavior. AI models can provide more comprehensive and enhanced credit scoring, especially for individuals or business lacking extension credit historic. नंबर 5 नंबर 4 Personalized financial services. AI enable banks and financial institutions to offer personalized product recommendations and financial advice tailored to individual customers' needs. By analyzing transaction history, spending patterns, and customer preference, AI system can suggest suitable products such as loans, insurance, or investment opportunities. Number 5. Cyber securities. AI technologies enhance cybersecurity measures by detecting and responding to cyber threats in real time. AI system can analyze network traffic, identify anomalies, and predict potential security breaches, strengthening the overall cybersecurity posture of financial institutions. As AI technology continues to advance, its role in banking and finance is expected to expand further, driving innovation, improving efficiency, and enhancing customer experience in the industry.